May I ask why you'd pay a website developer that tells you upfront, I can't promise you'll get traffic to your site? But, it'll be beautiful.
And likely they would never tell you that. They would just let you pay them, build a site, and you'll never get any traffic.
2. Did you realize that SEO experts build websites as well? 3. Do you believe it's better to buy your services bundle to save? 4. Well, then you are in for a big wake-up. The thousands of dollars you paid to the website vendor may have been available for the SEO/website builder to begin pushing your site up in Google rankings. 5. Build it, they will not come unless, and until your site is optimized for search engines. 6. Don't be disappointed with a lovely, deserted site no one ever visits because the search. Who's gonna rank it? There's the rub.
Always think first.
Are your Google rankings low? Hire a frickin' SEO.